Hello and welcome. This is to give you a quick overview of using Drone Deploy. First thing, make sure we're on the Explore tab. From there, you have a choice between two maps, your building 3D flight or your entire site. I recommend using the entire site. From there, you can see we have these images. These icons indicate additional photos that were taken of the area. This can give you a finer look. If you'd like to see all the photos of any area in particular, simply toggle on Map Photos. That'll show you all the 1,200 photos taken anywhere you'd like to see in view. For any annotations, you can either toggle them on or off. You'll see these icons. These red areas are marking fire hydrants. You can get intel on them over here as well. If you'd like to see interior, simply click interior, choose your level and area. These icons represent the panoramic images that were taken individually outside of the walkthrough. You can view either or, simply clicking the area and continue your walkthrough. You can have these on or off if you just want to see the panos that are available or just the walks. Overlays, this is from the actual drawing. Back to exterior. If there's anything you'd like to take with you, simply export whatever you need. I hope this helps.